Have you ever had this feeling of not belonging, of not finding your place here on Earth, of not belonging to groups or not adapting, like feeling different, or maybe feeling rejected, or what am I doing here? I want to go home, like feeling deep inside that this is not your home. Do you know what I'm talking about? Well, if you have this, you might be a starseed because it's such an extraordinary thing to remember our true identity. For me, all the most of my life, I had this feeling like it's something wrong with me, and when I realized the absurdity of it, when doing a deep process of after 15 years of deep inner work healing, I realized that I still have this not belonging, not good enough, not worth it, and so on. I started laughing for minutes and minutes in a row, like very intense. And that was a moment when I truly accepted myself, everything, with all the flaws, with all the human nature in this moment. And then followed other rememberings. I realized I'm a highly sensitive person, an empath, then the starseed awakening, and this clarified everything. Like all the pieces that I thought it was something wrong with me, like not belonging, not fitting in, like I was different, all made sense. And not only that I realized it was not something wrong with me, that my soul is actually a deep and a powerful blessing for this world. Because we are star seeds, we came here on Earth, and especially in this period, it's millions and millions of us. We came as volunteers to help humanity transition in this ascension period where Earth itself, Mother Gaia, it's transitioning to. So many people are confused. We came for this purpose to help humanity, but in the same time, it's an opportunity for us to alchemize, to clear, to integrate deep wounding in our subtle bodies, which in our home, where it's a much higher vibration, we don't have the contrast and we cannot see this gross, more dense energies. So now we have such a big opportunity due to the contrast, and even if it feels uncomfortable, we have this huge opportunity to release it for good. So, as I was discussing with the friend we just met, and we recognized instantly we are starseeds here in Bali actually. It's interesting. After this, I'm meeting more and more starseeds, and it's becoming such a natural conversation. Like, where are you from? Like, not which country, which galaxy are you from? And it's funny because when you talk to this with normal people, you would think you are crazy, but I feel like it's becoming more and more natural. Like we're meeting more and more. We're realizing we are not alone. Actually, we are so many of us. But everybody thought it was strange for him or her, and we isolated. And I feel it's time to come together to share these things, to put them on the table. Our challenges, our weirdness, everything we're going through. So yeah, and that's the idea why I had this idea to start a group, a community. Uh, we call it the sanctuary, where we just meet and share, go into rooms, share experiences online, of course. And yeah, I had this because I'm beginning to see what challenges starseeds have because we have so many gifts. We are such amazing, beautiful light beings, and we're playing such a small game because we forgot our identity, we forgot who we are, and we got absorbed. Our consciousness got sucked in into this matrix, into this 3D reality, and we just got lost. And it's time to reawaken our spark, our identity, and to shine, to share our light, because the world needs us now more than ever. So if you feel called to this, to share, and you feel you recognize yourself in this message, join us for a sacred gathering, and we'll see what's happening. We have no agenda for this meeting. It's just reunion to share with others what's in your heart, to create a sacred space of activation, of remembering. So it's no training, no staying in the mind, but actually connecting to a much higher frequency. So I hope I'll see you there.